So I'm at the new job. I'm taking a little break. My neck's hurting from welding in an awkward position, but I thought I would take a chance or take a second to show you what I'm working on, my new job. What we do here is we do body swaps and, you know, rat rods, stuff like that. But basically, that's what I'm working on. This is a 2002 Duramax Chevy, 8 lug and everything. And we're body swapping a 1970 C10 body onto it. And this truck's pretty mint too. The floors were a little bit chewed up, but as you can see, frame, everything. It's pretty fun. I like this new job. Boss is pretty cool. So that's what I do now, and I'll continue to do it for a while, so long as, you know, it's all good. But just like always, everybody has a Hobart.